Hello again, everybody. Jason Case with Case Electric Inc. We are your residential, commercial, and industrial electrical contractor, and thank you for joining us and the premier electrical community. Today we have Randy Ash with Integrity Pest Management. Randy, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
And we're going to talk a little bit about Randy and our rebuild series. So Randy, if you could, tell us a little bit about your business.
I'm Randy Ash, the owner-operator of Integrity Pest Management. We service all of Solano, Napa, and Contra Costa County. We are your commercial, residential, and bed bug heat treatment specialists. You know, the name says it all because what we do is we service you with integrity. We put our image on the line to protect yours, and integrity is doing the right thing when nobody's looking. But our key is always providing the best service in the business at a competitive price. We're not your cheap people, but we're not your most expensive either. We're here to serve and take care of your pest control needs.
Excellent. Absolutely. We have Randy out at our property. If you live in a rural part of Vacaville or anywhere, you know how important it is to have a good pest control guy. Keeps the creepy crawlies out of the house, keeps the little rats and mice out of the house. So we love having Randy out at our place. So Randy, a little bit more about your business anyhow. No, I'm too much.
Just it's the process one, but that's okay.
Yeah.
So just pick up from after where he did. Go thank you so much. Go back and have him at your house. I think that's great. And then just go talk to us. Great transition. We have them. We them. But why don't you tell people your process? It's the same process I've experienced with.
We're at licensed and insured.
Oh, licensed and insured?
Yep.
Okay, let's do that.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Excellent. Yeah, we have Randy out at our place. And if you live in a rural area, Vacaville or anywhere else, you know how important it is to have a good pest control guy. Keeps creepy crawlies out of the house, keeps everybody feeling okay. So thank you so much, Randy, for taking care of us.
You're most welcome.
So Randy, in your business, do you have licenses, insurances, special certifications? Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yes, we are licensed, insured, bonded, workman's comp, and our vehicles also have commercial insurance on them. But we are certified pest control operators. My guys are field rep licensed as the operator. I also have tons of certifications, AIB certified, hospitality, restaurants, all kind of certifications in the previous company that I worked for. So we are very qualified to take care of your residential or your business pest control.
Awesome. So a little bit about your process, Randy. If you could tell us, someone reaches out to you, you give them a proposal, or you respond to them. Can you tell us how that process works?
Absolutely. You know, on a home, it's pretty set, depending on the square footage, unless there's something super crazy going on. We have set prices for your home. Businesses are, they're based on the business. They're based on the size of the business, size of the building, and what level of pest control you can do. Because we can keep it simple, or we can get all the way to the AIB certifications, which is a third-party audit companies come in, and they have to have a level of pest control that's above the normal.
You know, you're not a contractor, you're not out there building homes, but what are some of the things, maybe red flags, or things that people can keep in mind with pest control as they're rebuilding their homes here in Vacaville?
And that's a great question, because so many builders do not promote exclusion properly. So exclusion on your home, that's your vents, everything's sealed up when the walls are up, before even the sheetrock's up, making sure the house is sealed properly, making sure the attic is sealed properly, the vents, foundation vents, E-vents are all in place. That is a crucial part of good pest control when it comes to protecting your home from rodents. The roof rats and field mice are predominantly the number one phone call that I get yearly, year round. So in a country setting, even more imperative to make sure those applications are in place to protect your home.
So one more thing on that. So say for instance, house burned down and maybe they didn't know they had a termite problem or carpenter ants or anything like that. Is there anything that they should be aware of as they're building their home, or anything that you can do or offer to folks so they know when they build their new home, those little critters aren't going to mess some stuff up?
You know, I partner up with a guy that does termites. I'm very aware of how termites work. If you can get your home pre-treated properly, it's important to protect one of the most expensive investments that we ever make is our home. So having a good pre-treat the insecticide, termiticide in the ground on your foundation if you're doing concrete, slab, or a crawl space. It is imperative to have that done properly. That protects your home now and in the future.
Awesome, awesome. Well, Randy, thank you so much for joining us today. And thank you guys for taking a minute to take a look at this video. We're very happy. We're gonna have a lot more people joining us. Thanks for coming. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you'd like to connect with any one of our trusted vendors, go to the Rebuild tab on our website, www.caseelectric.co. Then you scroll down to the Find a Vendor button and click it. On the following page, you will see a list of our verified and trusted vendors. Click on any of them to request more information from them or to see their license number. Remember, together we are stronger.